Hi guys, today's installation is about LNT loader, and let's show how to install device in LNT loader. Okay, I will show you the wiring. So for starter, first of all we will find fuse box of LNT loader. So you can see there are fuse box. Okay, yes, and now we will check. This is negative wire, this is positive wire. Okay, so we will first select ground and then find direct power supply. So see, this one is having 24 volt. Okay, so it's my power supply, direct power supply. And now I will check for ignition. These all are power supply which are giving voltage without my ignition on. Okay, see, and now I will on the ignition. Voltage is 24 volt, and now same I will switch off the ignition. So in this wiring, red will be go to the direct power supply and yellow wire will be connected with this one, which gives voltage of 24 volt when the ignition is on, and when the ignition is off it's gives the voltage of 0. Okay, so let's start it. They're very easy to handle. Okay, and the ground will be connected to the ground. There is already one wire connected, so I will connect it to this. Okay, so connection is done. Now is about to tape, and same goes for this one also. GSM to GSM, GPS to GPS, and the power is now connected. So lights are on. You can see GPS and GSM antenna and lights are blinking. So just leave this for some time, and after that we can just pack it up and fix in a proper place, like this one. It's an our older version of device which we have already connected, so you can place it. Okay, thank you.